In today's video, we are discussing about the most important topic in Python, that is string operations. So strings are everywhere from usernames and passwords to file names and messages. We'll cover how to create strings, manipulate them, and use Python's built-in string methods. Okay, let's get started. So as a definition, a string in Python is a sequence of characters enclosed in either single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. Strings are immutable, meaning once created, their contents can't be changed, but we can create new strings from them. We'll create one simple string, str1 equals hello, str2 equals Python, and print str1 plus str2. So we got hello Python. So you can check the length of a string by using a function called len. So here str1 is hello. You can check the length of that string. So you can try print str1 plus a space plus length is, and you can give length of str1. So you will get hello. The length is 5. That means get it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 characters. So the length is 5. So we will go to string indexing and slicing. So we can access individual characters using indexing and extract portions of a string using slicing. Indexing starts from 0 for the first character and -1 for the last. That means if I'm typing text equals to Python, this p is in the index of this p is 0 and the index of this n is -1. You can find out print of text of 0 and print of text of -1. First one is p and the last one is n. So you can do slicing using the index. So print of text, and if you give 0 till 3, you're going to get first 3 characters, pyth, pyt, first 3 characters. You can do the same thing for, you can try and do other indexing also. Text of simply put quotes and put 4, and you can print text of 2. You can try and see all this. Text of 0, length of text. So the first one we are going to get first 4. We will be slicing first 4. Second one, we will take the third character because we will leave the first 2 characters and we will take the third character. And the third one from the beginning. 0 means from the beginning till the end. How can we find the end? To find the end, you can use the length of the text, isn't it? So when you use the length of the text, you will get the end of the word. So the next one is string concatenation and repetition. So we have already seen for concatenating the string, you can use the plus operator. But for repeating the string, you can use star operator. That means into operator. So you can create a greet equals to hello and name equals to Python. And we can print greet plus name. So here we will use concatenation. So print greet into 3. So see, the first one we got concatenation hello and Python, and the second one we gave the repetition operation. That means multiplication into 3. So 3 times we got hello. So next we will see some common string methods that will be useful for our daily use. So Python has many built-in methods to work with strings. We are going to use some of them. So we will use s equals to space Python programming, another space. The space I am giving just to use all the methods. We can use s dot lower. We will use it inside print function. Print s dot lower. Even though we have used caps for p, everything became small letters. Same thing we can use for print s dot upper. Everything will become caps. So we have already given space here. To remove the space, we can give one method, that is print s dot strip. So you can see here the alignment itself we can make out. This two has been aligned in just two spaces far than from this one. All the stripes in both the sides it has taken out. So you can use replace also, print s dot replace, and you can use which word you want to replace, and you can use Python and replace to which word. You can use Java. So instead of Python, you got Java programming. And you can split the string and make a list of its own. So we can use print s dot split. You can see it got split and created a list. And so if you're having a list with different words inside the list, you can join the list by using the word join. So print, we can use space dot join and which word. So suppose we are having a list, same thing like this, Python, comma, and comma, Java. You can use the join method to join it as a string function. You can also check whether the string starts with any character. Print s dot starts with, we are given one space, isn't it, by py. So yes, it is starting with py, so it is showing true. The same thing if you are giving something else, it will show false. Starts with, we are removing, instead of giving the space, if I am not giving the space, it is going to show false. So second one is false. The same thing we can use for end, ends with also. Print s dot ends with ing and space. Yes, it is true. So we can use search operations also in strings. We can check if a substring exists within a string using in or find its position using dot find. So we will create another text. S is equal to I love Python. So we will check whether Python is there inside this text. So print Python in S. It is true. So Python is there in S. And if you are using dot find, you will get the position of the word inside the string. So print s dot find Python. So it is in the 7th position. If you calculate, it starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we will see some formatting tips for strings. You can use f strings or you can use dot format method. And I can give name equals to Alice and age equals to 32. So you want to print my name is Alice and I am 32 years old. You want to print like this so that we can use f string formatting, and then if my name is, can give parenthesis and we can use the word name, and I am another parenthesis, age years old. So you got the same, my name is Alice and I am 32 years old. Another way you can print it is print. You can simply write my name is an empty parenthesis and I am another empty parenthesis years old. And now you can give a comma, you can close the quotes and give dot format and give the variable names according to one by one. It is like this will be 1, this will be 2. So you can give us name, age. So my name is Alice and I am 32 years old. So like this, you can explore more methods and inbuilt functions in strings in Python. Hope this was a valuable one. Have a nice day.